Hello Vivekians, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. So, this side Sakshi ma'am, welcome back in your grade 2. So, in the last session of English, we have discussed about sounds of Y and one and many. Yes, these two topics which we have covered in our last session. So, today we are going to start a new topic. Yes, and that is naming word. So, let's start our day. First, we will discuss about naming words, and then after naming words, we will discuss about common naming words and proper naming words. So, let's start with first topic, naming words. So, do you know everything around us has a name? Either it is a thing or people or place or animal, right? Everything around us has a particular name. Here you can see in these two pictures there are few things like apple, bananas, bread, chocolate, flower, tree, table, bed, school bag. And can you name the things that you have in your school bag? Like pencil box, notebooks, your books, right? So these all are the names of things. And what is this? Man, girl, policeman, postman, doctor, shopkeeper. These are the name of people, like mother, like father, like teacher, like brother, like sister. Everything around us has a name. Every people around us has a name, right? So these are the example of name of the people. Every kind of animal also have a name, like here bear, deer, fox, lion. These are the name of the animals. Elephant, cat, dog. Every animal has a name. And every place also has a name, like it's a zoo, London, school, park, India, or you can say kitchen, or you can say library, right? Every place has a particular name. Naming words are the names of people, places, animals, or things. So, naming words are the names of people, places, animals, or things. For example, I have an apple in my bag. So, can you find out the naming words in this example? I have underlined apple and bag. Apple and bag, what is this? This is a naming word because it's a name of people, name of place, name of animal, or name of thing. What is this? This is a name of thing, apple, and it is also a name of thing, bag, right? So I have one more example. I have a brown cat. So can you tell me what is the naming word in this sentence? Cat. And it's a name of place or name of animal or name of a person? Name of animal. So it is also a naming word. So naming words are names of people, places, animals, or things. And one more example. I am Sakshi. So Sakshi is a naming word. That is the name of person, right? Naming words. Naming words are classified in two naming words, common naming words and proper naming words. But first we will discuss about common naming words. So what are common naming words? Common naming words are the names that apply to all people, places, animals, and things in general. It applies to all people, places, animals, and things in general. For example, this is a boy. It's a name of a person. This is a dog. In this sentence you can say this is a name of animal. This is a fort, name of place. This is a car. Name of thing. So name of people, name of person, animal, this is a name of place and thing. So these are common naming words like boy, dog, fort and car. Then what are proper naming words? Let's see. Proper naming words are the name of a particular person, particular place, particular animal or thing. And proper naming word start with a capital letter. Let's see some example of proper naming words. This is Ricky. So Ricky is a particular name of this boy. Yes. This is Pluto. So Pluto is a particular name of this dog. This is the red fort. This is the particular name of this fort. This is a Honda City. Honda City is the name of particular car. Right? So particular person, place, animal or things, it is your proper naming words. And start with a capital letter. You can see every proper naming word start with a capital letter. Proper naming words also include days of week, names of months and festivals. It also include days of week, names of months and festivals. Here are few examples. India is a beautiful country. Can you tell me about common naming word and proper naming word in this sentence? India, it is a particular name of country, so it is proper naming word. And country, it is a name of place, so I have used the color red for proper naming word and blue for common naming word. There is a goat in the field. So again it's a name of place and it's a name of animal. So I have underlined it, I have colored it with the blue color. Millie plays with her sister. Millie, it is a name of a particular person, so I have used a color red for this word. And sister, it's a name of person, so again it's a common naming word. The postman has brought a letter. So postman and letter both are common naming words, right? Here I have written few common naming words and proper naming words. For example, I am a teacher. So teacher is common naming word, but my name is Sakshi. So Sakshi is proper naming words, right? Country, it's a common naming word, but particular country, India or Australia. State, it is a common naming word, particular state, Haryana or Kerala. Car, particular car, Audi. Chocolate, it's a common naming word, but particular chocolate, Dairy Milk. Subject, it is again a common naming word, but particular subject like English, Hindi, math. Month, but name of month, proper naming word. Holiday, again name of festival or holiday, it's a proper naming word. So these were few naming words and proper naming words. I hope the concept of naming word is clear to you now and you can complete your assignment easily. Okay, so thank you. If you need any help, again you can watch this video and you can take the help of your parents also. Take care everyone. Bye bye.